Hi friends, today I offer you a recipe for Meat Snowdrives stuffed cutlets. This recipe is good because it is easy to do, and the taste and appearance is suitable both for a festive table and for a simple dinner. Grate peeled potatoes on a coarse grater. Finely chop the washed champignons and fry until the moisture evaporates. Grate cheese on a coarse grater. Chop the peeled onion and fry in vegetable oil. Add fried onions, salt, spices to the minced meat and mix thoroughly. Now we make cola box from the finished minced meat. Put on a baking sheet greased with vegetable oil and form a basket. Put the fried mushrooms in the first layer in the finished basket. The second layer is grated potatoes. A layer of mayonnaise. And the final layer is grated cheese. We bake future snowdrifts in an oven preheated to 180 degrees for half an hour. The meat drifts are ready. Serve hot, garnish with finely chopped herbs. Bon appetit! If you liked the recipe, like it and subscribe to the channel. See you.